Good morning, this is Trevor. Today we're working on another CSRF lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. This time it's a CSRF where refer validation depends on header being present. So vulnerable to CSRF, it attempts to block cross-domain requests but has an insecure fallback. Solve the lab, change the viewer's email address. Wiener Peter. Okay. So let's take a look at the lab. And while this is coming up, we'll pull up our cheat sheet. Please remember to like and subscribe. If there's anybody you know that would be interested, let them know about my content here. But here's refer header. Here's the notes that I have. We can remove. We can also modify. So it sounds like this time we may be using this remove. And let's go here to the exploit server. We'll go to the lab. We'll log in as Wiener Peter. And we'll change the email as always. Once that's done, we'll take a look at what we have going on. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. And these are from the last lab. Let's close these. Proxy. Post this. All right. So notice no CSRF token. No CSRF cookie. But we do have a refer header. So send to repeater. And let's try first modifying this to my website.com and we'll send it. Invalid refer header. Okay, so this definitely is the key. Now, will it change it if we remove it? So new one, send it. We should probably remove origin too, but we'll see what this says. It says it worked. And boom, it did. All right, so that's going to be how we exploit this. Let's go ahead and get started. We are going to name this refer validation depends on header being present. So vim refer validation depends on header being present .py. And let's start with the template. First, so what we need to do is we need, let's take one of the earlier ones. No defense. Let's take that one. This. So we build out a payload and then we submit that payload to the exploit server. The payload only has one input box, which will get submitted, which is the email. And that's correct based on what we tested. The only thing we need to add is removing that header. So if we look at our notes, we do it just like this. If I could ever get in there and copy this. We need this in the head. And head, paste, and we'll indent it 2 spaces just because, yeah, whatever. That's why. All right, and notice how this is spelled correctly. I don't know if that's correct. I think it is, but we'll have to double check. All right, Python referrer, and then home. Let's send it. Exploit posted. Oh, we don't have blog is solved. Wonder how I missed that. Getting a response. Oh, you know how why this is erroring is because once you solve it, that link is no longer present. So, yep, we did solve it. We solved it the first time around. Sweet. So all we did was we validated that the protection existed in the refer header, and then once we figured that out, we added the this line that removes the header from this post. Then we sent that to the victim and automatically submitted it to change their email address. That's it. Easy peasy. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye. So I'm going to do one thing. I don't like how we just print out an error. So let's add the ability to, or let's add something that logs that the exploit server wasn't found. All right, and this is in the site line 65. Let's go to, well, we can go to tills site 65. What did I do? 65G. And that'll take us there. Get exploit server pattern M equals found exploit server M1. So we want to, right here, let's do a try around this and do accept. We will call it type error. Accept type error as, we want to log dot error, no exploit server URL found, has the lab is the lab already solved? Yeah, is the lab already solved? And then here we'll do sys.exit -1. Cool. Now, if we rerun this, and hopefully the thing is, yeah, we get the error just like we wanted. Cool. All right. Sorry. Thought I would add to our capabilities here. Hope you liked it and all that crap. See ya.